Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a new trick to filter the data using insert slicer. To do this, select the table. In the keyboard, press Ctrl D. Click on OK. Now go to the insert slicer. Select the column you want to filter. I'm selecting state here. Click on OK. Move this to this side. And to customize the box, select column size as per your requirement. Now filter in one click. To remove filter, click here. Hold the Ctrl key to select the multiple options. In this way, we can filter the data using insert slicer. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.